Hey there, Zumba enthusiasts and curious minds. Get ready to dive into the electrifying world of Zumba, where fitness meets fun in a high-energy fiesta. Forget boring gym routines and embrace the exhilarating rhythms that will make you sweat, smile, and shake your way to a healthier you. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, exploring the origins, benefits, and sheer joy of this global phenomenon. Imagine a workout that doesn't feel like work, where every step is a dance move, and every beat fuels your body and soul. That's the magic of Zumba. It's time to ditch the mundane and embrace a workout that ignites your passion, transforms your body, and leaves you feeling energized and empowered. So get ready to unleash your inner dancer as we delve into the captivating world of Zumba. Zumba's story is as unique and vibrant as the moves themselves. Born from a happy accident, this fitness phenomenon has taken the world by storm, captivating millions with its infectious energy and inclusive spirit. From humble beginnings in Cali, Colombia to global domination, Zumba has become a cultural movement, uniting people from all walks of life through the power of dance. It all started with a simple improvisation. One day, I forgot my usual aerobics music and had to improvise with whatever I had on hand, which happened to be Latin music tapes. Little did I know that this spontaneous decision would spark a global fitness revolution. The energy was electric, the moves were contagious, and Zumba was born. From that moment on, there was no stopping the Zumba train. It quickly gained popularity in Colombia, and then spread like wildfire across the globe. Today, Zumba is a global phenomenon, with millions of devotees in over 185 countries, making it one of the world's largest fitness communities. Get ready to join this incredible movement and experience the transformative power of Zumba. One of the most beautiful aspects of Zumba is its accessibility. You don't need any formal dance experience to enjoy its benefits, just a willingness to move your body and have fun. Zumba welcomes everyone regardless of age, fitness level, or dance background. It's a judgment-free zone where you can shake off your inhibitions and embrace the joy of movement. Zumba is all about letting loose, feeling the music, and moving your body in ways that feel good to you. There's no right or wrong way to Zumba, as long as you're moving and grooving to the rhythm. This inclusive approach is one of the reasons why Zumba has become such a global phenomenon, attracting people from all walks of life. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a complete beginner, Zumba offers a fun and effective way to get fit and stay motivated. The classes are designed to be adaptable, allowing you to modify the moves according to your own fitness level and comfort. So step onto the dance floor and unleash your inner dancer, you won't regret it. Zumba is more than just a workout, it's a celebration of life, a journey of self-discovery, and a pathway to a healthier, happier you. As you move your body to the rhythm, you'll discover a newfound sense of joy, confidence, and empowerment. Zumba is not about striving for perfection, it's about embracing your individuality and celebrating the joy of movement. The beauty of Zumba lies in its ability to transform not just your body, but also your mind and spirit. As you dance, you'll release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Zumba is like a therapy session for your body and soul, leaving you feeling refreshed, re-energized, and ready to conquer the world. So, if you're looking for a workout that nourishes your body and soul, Zumba is the answer. Join the global Zumba community and experience the transformative power of dance. Get ready to step into a world of rhythm, joy, and endless possibilities. The world of Zumba awaits. Throughout this essay, we'll delve deeper into the incredible world of Zumba, uncovering its numerous physical and mental benefits. We'll explore how Zumba can help you torch calories, improve cardiovascular health, boost your mood, and increase your overall well-being. Get ready to discover how this dynamic workout can transform your life, one dance step at a time. We'll take you behind the scenes of Zumba's creation, sharing anecdotes and insights into its evolution into a global phenomenon. You'll learn about the different Zumba styles, the music that fuels the moves, and the passionate community that makes Zumba so special. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered to embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle. This essay is your roadmap to Zumba wellness, guiding you every step of the way. So put on your dancing shoes, crank up the music, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's Zumba our way to a fitter, happier, and more fulfilling life. Are you ready to unleash your inner dancer, boost your fitness levels, and experience the transformative power of Zumba? Then join me on this exhilarating adventure as we explore the world of Zumba, from its humble beginnings to its global domination. Throughout this essay, we'll delve into the heart and soul of Zumba, uncovering its numerous benefits, sharing inspiring stories, and empowering you to take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Get ready to discover the secrets behind Zumba's infectious energy, its ability to transform bodies and uplift spirits. We'll explore the science behind the dance moves, revealing how Zumba effectively combines cardio, strength training, and rhythm to deliver a full-body workout that is both effective and enjoyable. Be prepared to be amazed by the transformative power of Zumba. So if you're ready to ditch the boring workouts and embrace a fitness routine that is as fun as it is effective, then keep reading. Get ready to move, groove, and Zumba your way to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Let the rhythm take over, and let's dance our way to a fitter, more vibrant us. Let's rewind to the beginning, to the birthplace of Zumba, the vibrant city of Cali, Colombia. Picture this, a young Beto, passionate about dance and fitness, teaching an aerobics class. One fateful day I forgot my usual music, a common occurrence for a young, enthusiastic instructor. Improvisation was key. With a mischievous grin, I grabbed whatever tapes I could find in my bag. Merengue, salsa, cumbia, the heart and soul of Latin music. Little did I know that this spontaneous act would change the fitness world forever. The music pulsed through the room, the energy was electric, and a new fitness philosophy was born. The class loved it. The fusion of high-energy Latin rhythms and traditional fitness moves created an exhilarating experience. It was a party disguised as a workout. We moved, we grooved, we laughed, and most importantly, we sweated our hearts out. That day, the seed of Zumba was planted, fueled by passion, rhythm, and a touch of Colombian spice. From Cali to the world, news of this unique workout spread like wildfire through Cali. People were craving a fitness routine that was fun, effective, and made them feel alive. My classes were packed with enthusiastic students eager to experience the magic of Latin-infused fitness. We danced, we sweated, we celebrated life. It was a beautiful sight. Fueled by the positive response, I knew I had stumbled upon something special. Zumba wasn't just a workout, it was a cultural experience, a celebration of Latin rhythms and a testament to the power of music and movement. It was time to share this joy with the world. With a heart full of dreams and a suitcase full of Latin rhythms, I embarked on a journey to Miami, the melting pot of cultures. I knew that if Zumba could resonate with the diverse community in Miami, it could conquer the world. It was a leap of faith, fueled by passion, determination, and the irresistible beat of Latin music. The accidental entrepreneur. Miami welcomed me with open arms, and soon Zumba classes began to flourish. From small studios to community centers, the rhythm of Zumba was spreading, captivating people from all walks of life. It was amazing to witness the power of music and movement uniting people, breaking down barriers and creating a vibrant community. But success doesn't come easy. As an accidental entrepreneur, I faced my share of challenges. I poured my heart and soul into every class, teaching multiple sessions a day, 7 days a week. Exhaustion was a constant companion, but the smiles on my students' faces fueled my determination. I knew I needed to find a way to share Zumba with a wider audience. The world needed to experience the joy and transformative power of this Latin-infused fitness phenomenon. But how could one man, armed with passion and a love for Latin rhythms, make Zumba a global sensation? A global movement is born. Destiny, as they say, has a way of intervening. One day, after a particularly exhilarating class, I was approached by two entrepreneurs who had stumbled upon the Zumba magic. Alberto Perlman and Alberto Aguillon, recognizing the potential of this unique fitness program, proposed a partnership. Together we embarked on a mission to share Zumba with the world. We poured our hearts, souls, and life savings into creating a brand that would honor the spirit of Zumba, joyful, inclusive, and accessible to all. The journey was challenging, filled with long hours, countless rejections, and moments of doubt, but our belief in Zumba never wavered. And then, something magical happened. Zumba exploded onto the fitness scene, captivating the hearts and bodies of millions worldwide. From small studios to sold-out arenas, Zumba became a global phenomenon, uniting people from all walks of life through the power of dance. It was a dream come true, a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and the irresistible allure of Latin rhythms. At the heart of Zumba lies the infectious energy of Latin music. Salsa, merengue, cumbia, reggaeton, each rhythm brings its unique flavor and flair to the Zumba experience, transporting you to the heart of a Latin fiesta. Get ready to move your hips, shake your shoulders, and let the music move your soul. But Zumba's musical palette is vast and vibrant. We've incorporated rhythms from all over the globe, from belly dancing beats to Bollywood grooves, from African rhythms to hip-hop vibes. This fusion of musical styles creates a truly global experience, celebrating the diversity and richness of world music. No matter your musical preference, there's a Zumba rhythm waiting to ignite your passion and move your body. So, open your heart to the global soundscape of Zumba and let the music transport you to a world of joy, energy, and endless possibilities. While Latin rhythms form the foundation of Zumba, it's much more than just salsa steps and hip shakes. Zumba is a fusion of dance styles incorporating elements of hip-hop, soca, samba, flamenco, and more, creating a dynamic and exhilarating workout experience. Get ready to move your body in ways you never imagined. Each Zumba class is a journey through different dance styles and rhythms, keeping your body guessing and your mind engaged. You'll learn basic steps from various dance genres, improving your coordination, balance, and rhythm. It's like a crash course in world dance, all while getting an amazing workout. Zumba is about breaking down barriers, embracing diversity, and celebrating the joy of movement. So come prepared to step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and discover the dancer within you. With Zumba, the possibilities are endless. From those humble beginnings in Cali, Zumba has evolved into a global fitness phenomenon, constantly innovating and expanding its horizons. Today, the Zumba universe offers a diverse range of programs tailored to meet the needs of every individual, no matter their age, fitness level, or dance experience. Whether you're looking for a high-intensity workout, a dance-based fitness party, or a program designed for specific needs like seniors or kids, Zumba has something for everyone. We've created specialized programs like Zumba Gold for active older adults, Zumba Kids for our little dancers, Aqua Zumba for a refreshing pool workout, and many more. Zumba's evolution is a testament to our commitment to making fitness fun, accessible, and inclusive for all. We believe that everyone deserves to experience the joy and transformative power of dance, regardless of their background or fitness level. So, come join the Zumba revolution and discover the program that's right for you. Now that you've had a glimpse into the origins and evolution of Zumba, are you ready to experience the magic firsthand? I invite you to join the global Zumba Fiesta and discover the transformative power of this Latin-infused fitness phenomenon. It's time to ditch the boring workouts and embrace a fitness routine that makes you feel alive. Find a Zumba class near you, put on your dancing shoes, and get ready to move, groove, and shake your way to a healthier, happier you. Remember, Zumba is for everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or dance experience. All you need is a willingness to have fun, embrace the rhythm, and let loose. So what are you waiting for? Join the global Zumba community and embark on a journey of fitness, fun, and self-discovery. Let's Zumba our way to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant world, one dance step at a time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.